What makes that so hard? It is the unsatisfied curiosity of unfulfilled dreams, unfulfilled successes, unfulfilled visions, unfulfilled goals, and unfulfilled fulfillment and happiness in your life. People make a lot of money, but they're sometimes not fulfilled. People do not make money and they still have nothing. And that's why I always say leap in progress. Why? In terms of knowledge, success, wealth, and fulfillment. The way that leads to that way is the only way to break through. To break through, you got to listen to your naysayers all the time once you start doing what you would love to do and hang around. 2, your dreams. Now, let me give an example. I've been always asked, hey Julius, we do not have money to start our own stuff. What do we do? I just tell them one thing. Look, you have the brain. Tell me, does the brain come with money or money come with your brain? They said, with brain. I said, okay, go ahead and use it. It's the free machine between your ears called the brain. Just use it right now. That's where the start happens. That's where the breakthrough happens. Learning a lot of stuff, reading a lot of books doesn't always work. You have to put into action to get the results. Well, a good book says, as a man thinks, so is he.